Hey, this is the Kamranur from Agentic. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, integration is the most important part of any automation. So before building the powerhouse workflows, you must master the integration first. In this video, we are going to integrate three powerhouse n8n nodes: Google Sheet, Google Calendar, and Google Drive via the Google Cloud Console in one go. And we are going to do it all in just 10 minutes without skipping a single step. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, this is the n8n canvas, and you can see here I have already added three nodes: Google Sheet, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. So I'm going to connect and integrate all these three Google nodes with Google Console. Before starting, I would like to share you this thing inside the setting panel. You can see here setup credentials. We will set up the credential, and this is the requirement: a client ID and client secret. This is the requirement that we need to collect from the Google Console. So after getting the client ID, client secret, and sign in with Google account, we will be able to connect with the Google. So this URL, you can see, this will also helpful in this integration process. So I'm going to close it. Here you can see documents. Scroll down, there is nothing to show. So in Sheet, you can see here there is nothing to display. So when we would be able to set up our credential, these two fields will definitely show the spreadsheets. So let's see the Google Calendar node. Setup credential. Well, you can see same is the requirement also here, like client ID, client secret. Close it. Check the Google Drive as well. Setup credential. Well, you can see same is the requirement also here as well. So close it. So before starting the integration process, I would like to show you how to create a Google Sheet. So if someone doesn't know about this, this would be helpful for him. Just open your Google account, click on these dots. Here, scroll down, you can see Sheets. So this is the Google Sheet, Google database. You will see the interface like this. Here we can see a blank spreadsheet. Just click on it. You can see a blank spreadsheet has appeared. So I'm going to rename it so that we can see in the Google Note clearly when we will connect it. I will name it n8n document is the document, and this is the sheet. In this document, this is the sheet 1. So now we are going to start the integration process. Open the browser, click console.cloud.google.com. automatically will appear. You can see the first website. Just click on it. Well, you can see this is the interface. So here you create a project, select a project, click on select a project, new create. Give the name, any of the name you can give here, testing or testing n8n. Just click on create. Your project is creating here. Well, click on select project. Go back to main page, Google Cloud, click on it. Here, write the Google Sheet. Just click on Google Sheet API. Well, on this page, click on enable. Well, you can see Google Sheet API has been enabled. Now we are going to enable the Google Drive and Google Calendar one by one. Google Calendar, same like this. Click. Well, click on this Google Calendar API. Click on enable. Well, it is also enabled. Now again, Google Drive. Click on Google Drive API. Click on enable. So it has also been enabled. So all these three APIs have been enabled. Now on the left side, go on the auth consent screen. Click on it. Just click on get started. Well, you will see here project configuration. We are going to fill these fields. Give any name here, testing n8n. Select your Gmail account from over here. Click on this. By default, your Gmail account will be appeared here. Click on next. So we are using here our personal Gmail account, not any Google Workspace. So we are going to select external. Click on next. Again, it's asking for your Gmail account. Write Gmail account here. Click on next. I agree to Google API services user data policy. Check on this box. Click on continue. Create. It's processing the project configuration. You will see this page. On the right side, you will see here create auth client. Just click on it. Well, here you will see the arrow. Click on it. Select the web application. Give any name here. I'm again giving the name testing n8n. Just scroll down. Leave it. Here you are going to add the URL of the Google Sheet node. Just click on it. Go to your n8n. Here you can see URL. Just copy it and paste over here. Click on create button. Well, you will see the client ID has been appeared here. Just close it right now. Okay. Well, you can see here auth client has been generated. Just click on it. Copy the client ID from over here. Control C. Paste on your notepad and save it. Here client ID. And below you can see client secret. Just copy it and paste here. Just save it in your notepad, because if you don't save it, you will not be able to copy the client secret again. It one time give you the option to copy the client secret. So must save it in your notepad. So now go to the next step. Click on data access. Here we are going to give permission to n8n so that Google Calendar, Google Sheet and Google Drive can be accessible by adding the scopes. Click on add scope. Here below, click here 100. Well, here you will find the Google Sheet, Google Calendar and Google account. Just scroll down. Well, you can see here Google Calendar API. Just click on it. Check the box. Now look the Google Sheet or Google Drive. Well, you can see here Google Drive. Just click this one, Auth Drive. Same here. We selected the auth calendar. Now Google Sheet. Well, here you will select the auth spreadsheet. Just click on this checkbox. Below update, click. So you can see here it has been added. Now click on save button. Well, it has been saved. Now click on audience here. On this page below, add the test user. Click on add test user. Mention here your Gmail address. Click on save button. Well, test user has been added. And now we have done all the process on console.cloud.google.com. So now again, let's come on the n8n. Here paste the client ID. copy the client ID and paste here. Client secret, copy and paste here. Below, click on sign in with Google, click over it. Well, here select your same Gmail account, click on continue. Here select all, scroll down, click on continue. Well, you can see here it has got green, account connected. So your Google Sheet node has been connected with Google. Just close this. Here you will see the document and sheet field. Just click on it. So now our n8n document sheet is appearing here. Just select it. Well, sheet 1. So if these are reflecting here in these fields, that's mean the integration has been done. So now close this node. The same thing we are going to do with Google Calendar. Open the calendar, click on set up the credential, just copy the client ID, paste over here, again client secret, paste it, click on sign in with Google. Same is to be done here with it. Select your Gmail account, click on continue, select all, scroll down, continue. You can see here again, click on pencil icon, it got green. Close, close. Now the same thing will Google Drive, click over it, set up credential, client ID, copy, and client secret. Just click on sign in with Google. Same Gmail account is to be selected. Click on continue. Select all. Continue. Well, it has been updated as well. You can see here it got green. So guys, we have integrated all these 3 Google nodes in n8n in one go. Now these all 3 nodes are ready to work on the n8n, and now you can happily build your workflows. So hope you will like this video. Please must subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos like this. Thank you very much.